Division 2, Zone 2, Division 1, Zone 1, 0, EPL. I'm confused. Aren't all environments that contain flammable gas vapors or combustible dust the same? Of course not. Hello and welcome back to the Explosion Protection Professional EXPP Micro-Learning Series. I'm Bob Johnson, your learning facilitator and guide through the world of explosion protection. In the last video, we learned how to identify hazardous locations and explosive atmospheres according to IEC 60079-0. Today, we'll unravel the complexities of area classification covering zones and divisions. Let's demystify these concepts and understanding their crucial role in selecting electrical and mechanical equipment in our facilities. The standards guiding area classification studies are rooted in the IEC 60079-10-1 for gases and the 10-2 for combustible dust. Area classification involves a risk assessment to determine the frequency of hazardous substances in the environment. While some areas are evident, like inside of a storage tank with flammable gases, others may not be so clear. So let's delve into the standards to gain clarity. The 10-1 standard defines key concepts such as zones and sources of release and builds on the properties of the gases and vapors. Zone categorize areas based upon the frequency and duration of the explosive atmosphere. For instance, Zone 0 or Zone 20 denotes continuous presence, like inside of a tank with a flammable liquid. Zone 1 or Zone 21 signifies periodic or occasional occurrence during normal operation. Zone 2 or Zone 22 represents an area in which an explosive gas or dust atmosphere is not likely during normal operation, but may exist briefly if it occurs. Additionally, in North America, the standards for area classifications are guided by the National Fire Protection Agency NFPA document 497, which serves as a base for the NFPA 70, commonly referred to the National Electric Code. Article 500 covers Class 1 gas and vapor locations, and Article 502 sets requirements for Class 2 dust locations. Division classifications are commonly used in North America, where Division 1 areas indicate the presence of a flammable gas or vapor under normal operating conditions, and Division 2 areas indicate that they are present under abnormal operating conditions. The classification considers the grade of release, categorizing as continuous, primary, or secondary. Performing area classification is a detailed process involving various engineering disciplines, and it must be approved by senior management as it is ultimately assessing the risk. Regulators and stakeholders also contribute based upon legal compliance and the potential societal and environmental impacts. Under the ATEX directive, equipment selection for different environments relies upon ATEX categories. For gas vapor hazards, Zone 0 requires Category 1 equipment. Zone 1 requires Category 1 or 2 rated equipment, and Zone 2 requires Category 1, 2, or 3 rated equipment. The IEC standard introduces equipment protection levels, or EPLs, assigning them based upon the likelihood of ignition. Equipment marked EPL GA is suitable for a Zone 0, 1, or 2, GB for Zone 1 and 2, and GC for Zone 2 only. The highest safety level is designated for the most hazardous environment, such as Zone 0, incorporating protection concepts like EXIA, intrinsic safety, and EXMA. In effect, categories under ATEX and EPLs under the IEC represent the same concept. Now, you should understand how the frequency and duration of flammable gases and vapors determine which zones, categories, or EPL groups they fall into, and how we need to select EX equipment based upon this criteria. For those of you who want to learn more, feel free to visit academy.bartec.com, your digital learning hub. Subscribe and enjoy our learning offering in explosion protection awareness and competency. Follow us on LinkedIn, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit bartec.com. Reach out to me and I will personally answer your questions. Thank you for joining us today. In our next video, we will learn how to select the right protection concepts to prevent explosions according to IEC 60079-0 and IEC 60079-14.
If you want to go beyond explosion protection awareness to reach a higher level of competency and compliance, please visit our Academy website. Email at academy@bartec.com, call us at 281-214-8542, or reach out to any of our partners and BARTEC offices worldwide. It would be our pleasure to send you the brochure and information about our digital and in-person explosion protection professional competency certification program. You will receive a BARTEC Academy EXPP certificate and have the option to obtain your IEC EX certification of personnel competency for you and your whole team.